All right, welcome. This is week 14's homework solution. Here you have Thursday, November 7th. All right, number one. It says which of these relationship has a constant rate of change. Select all that apply. Very straightforward. Let's just find the deltas. Okay, red. Here is x. So looks like it's adding 2, right? Right? Yep. Then this is add 1. This is add 2. Is there a delta x? Nope, it's not constant. So am I even going to do delta y? Nope. Waste my time. Let's do this one. Let's find delta x, or is there? All right, from 1 to 2, plus 1, 2 to 3, plus 1. Looks good so far. 3 to 4, plus 1. Yeah, okay. So we could say delta x is equal to plus 1. Let's see if we can find delta y. 5 to 2, that is what? A minus 3. 2 to 0, that is a minus 2. 0 to 2, that is a plus 2. Is there a delta y? Nope. So this doesn't work. This is not also constant. All right, let's do this one. Plus 1, that's how we go 1 to 2, 2 to 3, plus 1, 3 to 4, plus 1. Okay, so delta x is equal to add 1. Okay, and let's do delta y. Delta y. 1 to 8 is plus 7. 8 to 27 is what? Plus 19, I believe. 19, is that right? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yep, 19. Ah, you see? It's already not constant. See? Very tedious, but let's just do it. All right, let's find delta x. So negative 3 to negative 1. I think we're adding 2. Is that right? Yep, negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Add 2 is 1. Add 2. Perfect. So we have an add 2. Come on, delta y, please work. Negative 3 to negative 2, you're adding 1. Negative 2 to negative 1, you're adding 1. Negative 1 to 0, yes, you add 1. Yeah, this is the only one that works. Woo! Remember, you need both a delta x and a delta y, okay? Oops, I forgot to write the delta y here. So delta y here was equal to add 1. So this is the only one that is linear. Yay! Okay, which relationship has a constant rate of change? Again, keyword here, constant rate of change means you are linear. So, guess what? Look for the one that is linear. Is this one linear? No. This one linear? No. Is this one linear? Yes, it's a line. Yep, this is a line. So, yep, it becomes linear. I should just write the word line neatly. Okay, there you go. The graph here shows the rate of change of the temperature over a city. Write a statement that describes the rate. This again should be rate of change for the average temperature into the city. There, that was so weird. Look how it's changing. It's changing a lot, right? It's changing. I mean, the temperature here is what? The temperature, you would say what? The average temperature is changing up, then down, then up, then goes way down. Okay, it seems like a lot of things are happening here. All right. Going up. The average temperature is changing up, then going down, then going way down as the year passes by. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's about it. That's it. The long part here was finding the delta x and delta y. Okay, there you go. That's all your homework solution for Thursday, November 7th.